Disabling two-factor authentication on Skyscanner can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Skyscanner website or app and enter your login credentials to sign into your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is usually found in the profile menu or under your account name. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled security or privacy. Click on this section to access your security options. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox to disable this feature. Click on it to turn off two-factor authentication. Step 5. Confirm your changes. After disabling the feature, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the process, and ensure that you receive a confirmation message. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Skyscanner account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.